In this video, we're going to be looking at the technique for hanging core work, specifically hanging knee raises. So one of the problems people often see is they start to swing, so they lose control of the movement. So I'm going to give you a technique tip to help prevent that. Now we can hold on to the bars in either way, or we can use the straps where we just place our upper arm through, and it's quite a comfortable position because it takes away any need for grip strength or upper body strength. We can just concentrate on the core. So the key to this exercise is to bring the feet forward slightly, which is going to engage the abdominals and pull the pelvis back. First, I'm going to show you where people go wrong, which is not bringing the legs to the front. So what happens is they raise the knees up and then they come back, which is essentially producing a swinging motion, if I exaggerate it slightly. So you're bringing your knees up and then swinging the legs back. So you're obviously going to start to swing backwards and forwards. What we need to do is bring the legs forward slightly, like so. So legs come forwards, the abdominals are engaged. From there, I raise my knees up. As I come back down, I push forward slightly with the legs. So it keeps tension on the abdominals and the hip flexors, and it keeps me in a stable position. If I go back to bring the legs back, you can see how straight away it starts to produce that swing. So the key, legs forward slightly to posteriorly tilt the pelvis and engage the abdominals and the hip flexors.